this is my vanity area, and I just took everything off the vanity and I'm going to organize it. My hubby fixed the drawer because the drawer was all messed up. I've had this vanity for so long already. It's the one from Ikea. If you guys saw my way back in the day videos, I did a vanity tour when I had no kids and we lived in a little apartment and I had like a little beauty room. This is the vanity that I had there, and so we fixed the drawer because it was a little bit messed up, but it's like perfectly brand new. So, and that was when I was pregnant to Aria. That was our baby moon in Mexico. And these are just some little quotes that I keep here. Just daily reminders, because I feel like every mom needs those. So, alright, so I'll show you guys how I'm gonna organize this and clean it first. So here's everything that's usually on the vanity that I need to clean up and get rid of some things. So I'll show you where I put everything back in a minute. So I don't know about you guys, but you ever feel like your space is cluttered and it doesn't feel like it's inspiring you to do anything? That's kind of how I've been feeling about my makeup vanity area in my room. So I decided to give it a good clean, take everything off of it and start fresh so that I could feel, you know, just like a little bit more inspired to do my makeup and have the kind of creative juices flowing. I also figured, since it's been literally years since I've shown you guys my makeup collection or my makeup vanity space, that I'd bring you along and show you what I do just to clean it up and the things that I currently am using for organization purposes, etc. After I dust everything, then I just give it a good wipe down with a Windex. So then I'm going to put everything back where I think I want it, and sometimes I rearrange it a few times just to see, you know, if I wanted to switch things up or anything. So that's my jewelry box, and I actually got that jewelry box at TJ Maxx. It's really cute. It has like the dividers for your rings, for earrings, and then like a big space for other kind of jewelry. My pink rose gold mirror that you guys see is by Impressions Vanity. You can find them on Instagram, but I actually found this at Marshall's. It was a great steal. I think I got it for like 20 bucks, and it has LED lights. You touch the mirror with your thumb and then the LED lights turn on. It's battery operated. I've had it for like a year and I love it. So then for brush storage, I have that round brush holder that you see, and it says "But First Makeup," and that's where I keep all of my daily brushes, the ones that I use, you know, most often just on my face. And then the other thing that I have for brush storage, I got that at Marshall's, and I think it's actually for a desk for like pens and pencils, but I thought it was the perfect thing. I liked how it matched the simplicity of the makeup vanity and my room. So I just keep all of my clean brushes, the ones that I'd use on other people, and just backup brushes go there. So now that everything is pretty much in the spot that I want it to be in, I'm going to go through my travel makeup bag, which is where I started just throwing all my daily makeup because it was just quicker to grab that than to like go through my unorganized mess. So I'm just putting everything back where I'm going to use it. So I have that acrylic makeup organizer that has like 3 drawers. That's from Amazon. I think I paid like 15 bucks for it. So it's perfect because it has 3 drawers, so I keep my lip stuff on top, eye stuff on the middle, and then current face stuff on the bottom. Of course, midway, I had to have a little helper come in and see what I was doing and point everything out to mommy. I filmed this on a day that my husband was home, so the kids were downstairs working out with him. But of course, you know, they will find you. If you're a mom, you know. Now I'm just wiping everything down again because I just want it to be really nice and clean and feel spotless. My little man's back again, of course. He's determined to help mommy, so I'm letting him be included. This is a completed vanity area, so as you can see, everything that I use like on a daily basis, these are like my everyday brushes right here, jewelry box, and this is like the stuff that I reach for the most. So the top is just lips, the bottom is eyes, eyeliner, and concealers, and my primer that I use every day. Well, not every day because I don't wear makeup every day, but like the one that I reach for the most. And then the bottom is just like the face stuff that I reach for the most. So, and then in the drawer, I just have most used palettes. There's like my other Morphe palettes are back there. Then beauty blenders, which I need to clean. The foundation that I've been reaching for, this one. Then all my Naked palettes are here. I have Naked 2 and Heat. And then I have Wet n Wild. Those are just the shades that I've been wearing lately. And this is just like filming stuff extra. I like these clear bins. I buy them at Dollar Tree. And they work really well. And then just like another jewelry thing that I've purged like so much costume jewelry, and like, so this is just what I have left. And then on the bottom is just like all extra makeup stuff, like a traveling brush case, and then this is just all extra makeup. I don't know, I was debating whether to get another like storage kind of unit, but I just don't want my room to feel cluttered, so I might just get like a cuter basket, like a nice wicker basket, maybe that's taller, and just, I don't know, this kind of works for me. So this is like the stuff that I take if I need to bring makeup somewhere else. I might be working Fashion Week this week, so I'm excited about that. Not this week, this year in September. And this is my train case. And I'll show you, this is all other extra stuff like for clients, and the rest of like my extra foundations, extra stuff for working on clients and stuff. So extra business cards. Oh, I should take this out and clean it. Oh wow. Yeah, so I just keep this. It's kind of pretty heavy because I have so much stuff in it right now, but I don't travel with all of that stuff. Like, I'll just go through it and see what I'm gonna need, and then I'll just, you know, pack it accordingly. So anyways, that's it for my vanity area. I'm trying to keep it very minimal. So this is what we got right now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, let me know. If you like to see these kind of, you know, organize with me kind of things, let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.